Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are going to be looking at a unique indicator. It is a custom indicator, so you will have to download it from a reputable site online. It's the ZMFX Forex Trend Indicator. I downloaded it from the MQL5 marketplace. So if you would like to make use of this indicator as well, then you could download it from the MQL5 marketplace or from any other reputable site online. Okay, so I'm just going to be adding the indicator to the chart right away. After downloading the indicator, remember that you will need to add it to the indicators folder. All right, you need to add it to the indicators folder of the platform you are using. So I'm using the MetaTrader 4 platform. So I had to add the indicator file to the indicators folder of the MQL5 platform. Okay, sorry, the MetaTrader 4 platform, I mean. So I had to copy the file and I went to the indicators folder of the MetaTrader 4 platform and I pasted the file in that folder, okay, on my desktop. Now I'm going to be adding the indicator to the chart, and this is a custom indicator, so I need to allow the DLL imports. Okay, now it's important for you to know that this indicator is quite unique. The indicator tells you the trend of 8 different currency pairs, so it doesn't exactly matter what charts you load the indicator on. For example, this is the AUD/USD chart. It does not exactly matter what chart you load it on. What matters is that it gives you signals for 8 currency pairs. It gives you signal for Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, NZD USD, Euro GBP, USD CAD, USD JPY, and USD CHF. All right. So I am just going to set this as black so that I can see the text properly. So this is how it looks like. All right. So you can see that the indicator gives you signals for 8 different currency pairs here. And then it also gives you signals for different indicators. You can see the MA, the stock, CCI, RSI, and MACD. So this indicator gives you signals based on these 5 different indicators and for 8 different currency pairs. Okay, so how it works is that when you load the indicator on your chart, immediately you get signals for these 8 currency pairs, and it tells you what each of these indicators are saying. Is it a bullish trend or is it a bearish trend? When you have a dark green color like this, it shows that you have a simple bullish signal. All right, that means the MA is simply bullish for the USD CHF, but this lime color shows that it's a strong bullish signal. So in this situation, it means that the MA is slightly bullish for USD CHF, it's strongly bullish for USD JPY, strongly bullish for USD CAD. Then the red color shows that it is strongly bearish. All right, so it's strongly bearish for Euro, GBP, strongly bearish for NZD, USD, and then this fire brick color shows that it is slightly bearish. All right, so it means the MA is slightly bearish for AUD, USD, slightly bearish for GBP, USD, and strongly bearish for Euro, USD. Okay, so that is how this indicator functions. It gives you signals based on other indicators and for 8 select currency pairs. All right, so let us interpret the signals for the next indicator, being the stochastic. So it means that the stochastic is giving a bullish signal, a strongly bullish signal for the USD CHF, strongly bullish for USD JPY, strongly bullish for USD CAD, slightly bearish for the Euro GBP, strongly bearish for the NZD USD, strongly bearish for the AUD USD, strongly bearish for GBP USD, strongly bearish for Euro USD. and so on for the CCI, the RSI, and the MACD. So when you want to use this indicator to trade, of course, it is ideal that you also check out the main indicators, all right? Yeah, you can confirm the signals from this indicator with the main indicators that are here, right? For example, let me just go to the Euro USD, all right? Let me go to the Euro USD chart, and I'm just going to be loading this indicator again to the Euro USD chart, all right? Now I have loaded it in Euro USD chart. Let me set the indicator so that, let me set the color to black so that I can see this properly. All right. So the moving averages for the Euro USD is strongly bullish, right? So let me check out the moving average. Okay, it was not exactly specified. Let us see. It's not exactly specified what moving average. Let's see. We should have. Okay, we can see the moving averages that are being used are the EMA 1 is 10. We have the 10 period moving EMA, the 50 period EMA, and the 200 period EMA. So let us just add on the 10, 50, and 200 EMA. All right. So I'm not exactly going to look at all the indicators, but let us just verify the signals. Okay. 10, 50, and 100. Right. 10, 50, and 100. We just want to verify the signals from the indicator to be sure that it is correct. All right. Okay. So we can see that it is actually correct, because based on the settings of this indicator, we can see that the indicator is using the 10 period, the 50 period, and the 200 period EMAs. It's using the 30 period stochastic, it's using the 50 period CCI, the 14 period RSI, and the 20 period MACD. So if you want to confirm the signals with this indicator, make sure you use the periods that are in this ZMFX indicator, all right? So we can see that actually the moving averages are giving us a bearish signal, right? It's giving us bearish signal for the Euro USD, as this indicator is telling us. So this indicator is quite interesting because it saves you the time of going through different indicators to get a signal, right? So you can also get a confluence directly from this indicator alone. For example, for the Euro USD, we can see that the MA is giving us a bearish signal, the stochastic is giving us a bearish signal, the CCI is giving us a bearish signal, the RSI is giving us a bearish signal, the MACD is giving us a bearish signal, and they are all strongly bearish. So it means that the Euro USD is currently in a bearish trend, because we have 5 different indicators giving a strong bearish signal. So if you want to enter a trade, you can just look for a good opportunity based on this, these signals given by this indicator. You can just look for a good opportunity. But it's important if you have knowledge of price action, all right? So you can confirm the indicators with price action. Basically make sure that you do not sell low, or at least you'd have looked for a pullback. Perhaps just wait for a pullback and then enter a sell. Since the trend is quite strongly bearish, look for a pullback and then enter a sell, or look for a good opportunity. Make sure you do not sell at a support, right? So for example, if we had found this opportunity here on time, yeah, make sure that you also make use of horizontal support and resistance levels, because they're going to help you to find entry points, right? Entry points and exit points. So we can see that around this zone, when price retraced back to this zone, we would have entered a sell, and then because this is a sell trend, right, we can see this indicator says it's a sell trend. So we'll only be looking for sell opportunities. So after entering a sell, we can set our stop loss just above the swing high, and for the take profit, we can target the next support zone, all right, or thereabouts, right? So make sure you always make use of proper risk management. For example, if you're risking $10, make sure you are targeting $20 as your potential profit. That is going to be a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. If you are risking $1, you're targeting at least $2 for your profit, right? And make sure that you always use an amount you can afford to lose, because profit is not guaranteed irrespective of the indicator you were using. Okay, so basically that is it for the ZMFX Forex Trend Indicator. It's an indicator that tells you the direction of the trend based on 5 different indicators, including the moving average, the stochastic, the CCI, the RSI, and the MACD. And at the same time, it tells you the trend for different currency pairs. All right. So when you want to use this indicator, then it means you have to trade only the pairs that are given to you by this indicator. You have to trade either USD CHF or USD JPY or USD CAD or Euro GBP or NZD USD or AUD USD or GBP USD. I don't know why these currency pairs are what's the word again? Why they are on each other. The indicators should have spaced them out properly. I don't know, it's maybe the way they programmed it or something, but it shouldn't be overlapping. They are overlapping each other. Okay, but we can see that the USD CHF, USD JPY, USD CAD, Euro GBP, NZD USD, AUD USD, GBP USD, Euro USD. So you have to trade one of these pairs if you want to use this indicator. So the indicator is one of the limitations of this indicator. It is streamlined to specific pairs, all right? Only 8 currency pairs. However, when you are trading these 8 currency pairs, you can get signals from 5 different indicators all in one indicator. Okay, so it makes it a great choice. Okay, although this indicator does not guarantee profit, so you have to consider if it is a good option for you. All right, but so far it looks like a good option, just an addition to your trading toolkit. All right, it's good that you do not rely on this indicator alone. You can just use it as an additional tool to your trading toolkit, right? So that is it for this video, the ZMFX Forex Trend Indicator. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights. Until next time, stay smart and trade profitably. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.